computation of interest on capital. Now, interest on capital is always calculated on the opening balance of capital, but in question, usually closing balance of capital, drawings and share of profit is given. Like in this question, closing capital of Raghuvir, partner Raghuvir is given as 80,000 after consideration of drawings of 12,500 and profit of 17,800. From this detail, first requirement is we need to compute opening balance of capital. अगर इसको हम कैपिटल अकाउंट के फॉर्मेट से समझे तो इन दिस कैपिटल अकाउंट on the debit side drawings and closing balance of capital is mentioned, and on the credit side opening balance and share of profit is given. If we mention all these details in this format, closing balance of capital is 18,000, 80,000, drawings is 12,500, so total on the debit side is 92,500. ये total को हम credit side लिखेंगे 92,500 minus this share of profit, share of divisible profit 17,800. So opening balance of capital is computed as 74,700. लेकिन for examination purpose we use this formula से present करेंगे तो formula will be opening capital equals to closing capital plus drawings minus share of profit. Closing capital 80,000 plus drawing 12,500 minus share of profit is 17,800. So opening capital is 74,700. Now interest on capital to be computed at 6%. So interest on capital will be opening capital into rate upon 100. That rate is 6%. So 74,600. 6% will be 4,476 rupees. But by chance in question, instead of share of profit, by chance if share of loss is given, तो फॉर्मूला में हमें समझना है क्योंकि डिविजिबल लॉस का लोकेशन डेबिट साइड ऑफ कैपिटल अकाउंट है, इसलिए यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला में क्लोजिंग कैपिटल प्लस ड्रॉइंग्स प्लस शेयर ऑफ लॉस करके हम ओपनिंग कैपिटल तक पहुंचेंगे. If we use the same details, तो closing capital 80,000 plus drawing 12,500 plus share of loss 17,800 से हमें opening capital मिलेगा 1,10,300. And now interest on capital at 6% will be 1,10,300. 6% will be 6,618 rupees.